up. Always got what I wanted, never asked nobody for nothing. I can take a trip to the islands alone, but if you want it, you gotta come with something new. I don't know what's wrong with you. So over your petty games, you're getting way too comfortable.
Hey y'all, what's poppin'? It's your girl Shay, and I am back again with another video. Today's video, we will be unboxing something I ordered, and I'm really excited because I've been wanting this for a long time. It is very well overdue. So before we get into this video, make sure y'all subscribe to my channel, make sure y'all like this video, and make sure y'all comment y'all thoughts below. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into this video. Bam! I bought a LED ring light. I got this one off of eBay and it was like $78, and hopefully it comes with everything it say, and hopefully it works. Okay, I hope it works. So let's go ahead and open this bad baby up so we can get this little picture. Yes, all right. I have to go ahead and change my light angle. I want to come in here so I can get a little bit more space, all right? But this is the light, so we're gonna go ahead and open this baby and see what's up in here. Ready? The bag. This the bag. It comes with a travel bag. That's what I like too. Okay, so let's see what's in here. This the stand. Okay, yes. Okay, so that's that. What's in here? The plug. And now for the main thing, the ring. All right, so let's see how this works. Let me get the instructions. What are the instructions say? I thought there was some instructions in here. What's going on? Oh, here they go. See, I know I wasn't tripping. Okay, so let's see. They got UK instructions. I hope they got US instructions. Shit. Okay, here we go. So let's get this baby on. I gotta get off my knees. Woo! Them knees. So you twist it and turn it on. Ooh! Ah! Ah! Yeah. Okay, let's see what. Ooh, so look, it gets. What? Hello. Let's see. So that's one knob to turn on. Oh, and you can change the color with the other knob. Look. Ooh, I like this. Yes, yes. Okay, let me stop playing with it before it's fucked up. Oh, this is so good, y'all. So let me go ahead and hook it up. I'm gonna hook it up real quick, okay? Okay, y'all, so this is like without the light, okay? Without the light. So this is the light. I'm a boss ass bitch. And then this is like a moonlight. I mean, I like this one too, but I think I like the other one. But this one like a cover girl, like a photo shoot, you know what I mean? Yes, I like it. Let's see what it do when it's like pitch dark in here, okay? This.
That ass, 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 that ass. She said,
it looks so good. Yes, fix the lighting. this is the end of my little review video. I love my diva light. Is this the brightest it goes? Hold on. Okay, y'all, so this was a really good success. A good investment. A good investment. Like, now all I gotta do is just get my little wall together and I'll be ready to motherfucking jet. You feel me? So, well, I hope y'all enjoy watching this video. If y'all looking for a ring light, go ahead and purchase this one. It's really good. I'm telling y'all. Like, it's very lightweight. It comes with a bag. It's affordable. It ain't $200 like some of them things be $200. Thank y'all for watching my video. I hope y'all really enjoyed it. I will be coming with another video soon, so stay tuned. Make sure y'all subscribe to my channel. Make sure y'all like this video. Make sure y'all share my page. Follow me on Instagram at Shay the Goddess, and also at Shay_ the beauty enhancers. Make sure y'all go on ahead, hit that button, that bell button, so y'all can see when the next time I get this video drop. Okay.
Baby, while we're